If you don't like frizz but still want neat locks, then keep watching to learn the best technique for you. Palm rolling and interlocking, two popular methods to maintain your locks. But which one's right for you? Palm rolling? It's simple. Just roll the lock between your palms. It's great for keeping that natural look and works well on softer hair, but it needs frequent touch-ups. Now, interlocking. This method uses a tool to weave the locks at the roots. Perfect for tighter curls, and it lasts longer between sessions. Just remember, it can be a bit more time-consuming. So, what's the verdict? If you're after a fuss-free, natural vibe, go for palm rolling. But if you want a neat, long-lasting style, interlocking's your best bet. Remember, whichever method you choose, consistency is key. Happy locking!